Are you facing the challenge to create good-looking reports with various diagrams, graphs, tables? Standard functionality of Dynamics 365 charts is not enough and looks poor? You want to add something new to your system so your employees and customers will say wow? Watch this video to the end and I will show some good solution for that. Hello, my name is Eugene. I'm Dynamics 365 specialist from Ukraine with 5 years of experience in foreign projects. It is difficult to overestimate the significance of informative data visualization in your system. PowerBi perhaps is the best solution to create custom reports. It is relatively easy to integrate PowerBi with Dynamics, as both platforms are Microsoft products and the integration is supported by Microsoft. This video is the first part of two-part tutorial that consists of PowerBi for Microsoft Portal and PowerBi for Dynamics 365. Let's start with PowerBi for Microsoft Portal. The integration process needs some knowledge of Microsoft Products administration and requires global administration rights in Office 365. Just follow the steps and you can see your report on the portal. You should also consider pricing, because it depends on frequency of using of such reports, its data storage and the number of PowerBi developers. If you are using PowerBi reports and your business process requires your portal users to see them as well, proceed with the steps below. First of all, you need to ensure that you have your active workspace and the report inside. Then log in with your global admin credential to portal.azure and create PowerBi embedded resource. You provide here subscription and cache size that you should pay for. The last thing you have to do in Azure is to create security group. Select Azure Active Directory, Groups, and then select New Group. For the group type, select Security, group name PowerBi Embedded Service. Then select Members and enter your portal's application ID, which you can find on the Portal Details tab in Power Apps Portal Admin Center. The next step is to enable PowerBi visualization. Go to the Dynamics 365 Administration Center, Applications tab, Portal for which you want to enable PowerBi visualization. Manage, PowerBi integration, enable PowerBi visualization. Then enable PowerBi embedded service and select your PowerBi workspace. And finally, last step. Sign in to your PowerBi using a global administrator account. Select Settings, Admin Portal, Tenant Settings. Under the Developer Settings section, select Allow Service Principals to use PowerBi APIs. In the Specific Security Groups field, search for your PowerBi Embedded Service group and apply it. That's all. Now the PowerBi tag is available for your portal and you can add it to your web template. If you don't get how to set up the integration or you still have questions, feel free to contact me. Subscribe and in my next video you will find out how to show PowerBi reports in Dynamics 365. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.